Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
guys.
wabarakatuh. Evening, Miss.
How are you?
Evening, Miss.
I'm fine. And you?
I'm good.
Thanks. Okay, here I will tell you about stressing and accents in English for online grammar and OMI TV. The first one is, what is stress? Stressing is a word. Stress is when syllable in a word is pronounced with more force than the other syllables. And then the next, what is word in stress? In English, we do not say each syllable with the same force or strength. In one word, we accent one syllable. We say one syllable very loudly, big, strong, important. And all the other syllable very quickly. Kelihatan nggak? Example of one syllable. Okay, here where is the stress? The stress is in English. English.
English.
English.
Okay, you are excellent. And then level of stress. There are three of level stress. The first one is primary level. Primary level is primary stress is represented with a high mark. And then secondary level. Secondary stress with a low mark. And then the last tertiary level with no mark. And then pronunciation stress, there are two kinds. The first, every word is made from syllable. Each word has 1, 2, 3 or more syllable. And then the second, in word with multiple syllable, one syllable is stressed. Stressed syllables sound longer than unstressed syllable. They are also louder in height in pitch than unstressed syllable. Example vocabulary using stress in game or OMI TV. The first one is habitually used in gamers. There is a red word of never. Where is the stress here? Stress word. Ne. Ne. Become never.
Ver.
Never.
Never.
Okay.
Never.
One is there is meet. The meaning is bertemu. Where is the stress word here? Here,
Me.
here one syllable become meet.
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 Okay, you are excellent. And then next, habitually used in gamers, there is a word a little. How many syllable here? Ada berapa suku kata di sini? Okay, here there are two. The first one is stressing is an li. So, Little.
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 Okay, you are excellent. There is a word habitually used in OME TV is the word beautiful. How many syllable here? Ada berapa suku kata di sini?
Three.
Okay, you are
Three.
excellent. Where is the stressing word here? The stressing word is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Okay, you are excellent. Then the next is word of alone. How many syllable here? Here,
One, maybe.
2 syllables. The first one is here. There is a here stressing word. Become we are it alone.
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 Okay, you are excellent. And then the next word is H. Habitually used in OME TV. H is 1 syllable here, and then stressing of H.
H.
This is example word of OME TV and gamers. Jadi apa sih sebenarnya OME TV dan gamers itu yang menggunakan penekanan? Sebenarnya banyak orang yang menggunakan game atau OME TV itu jarang menggunakan penekanan kata. Dia itu asal ngomong aja biasanya. Jadi di Inggris itu tidak mengatakan setiap suku kata dengan kekuatan yang sama, dengan 1 kata atau 2 kata atau 3 kata. Suku kata itu terdapat 1, 2, dan 3. Kemudian masing-masing di katanya itu pasti ada penekanannya yang disebut dengan stressing. Nah, kemudian stres itu dibagi menjadi 3, tingkatan primer, sekunder, sama yang terakhir itu tingkatan tertiary. Kalau yang primer itu utama diwakili dengan nada tinggi, kemudian yang kedua itu levelnya sekunder, biasa aja, dan yang kemudian yang ketiga itu tingkatnya tidak ada tanda apa-apa gitu, tidak ada penekanannya. Kemudian setiap kata adalah dari suku bahasa yang memiliki 1, 2, 3 atau lebih. Dalam kata-kata dengan banyak suku itu biasanya menggunakan penekanan. Setiap kata itu biasanya menggunakan penekanan. Satu kata yang menggunakan penekanan itu lebih panjang daripada satu kata yang tidak menekankan. Mereka juga lebih keras di higher, di ketukannya gitu, daripada silabel stresnya gitu. Ada lagi contoh before. Before itu biasanya digunakan sebagai gamers gitu. Misalkan before playing games gitu. Before. How many syllable here? Before.
2.
Okay, you are excellent. Where is the stressing here? The stressing is for. Before. Before. The stressing is for.
Before.
Okay, you are excellent. The next is Eventually, if we are playing games with our friend, we are loud. How many syllable here? Loud.
1.
Ketawa. Okay, you are excellent. Loud. Loud.
Loud.
Loud.
Loud.
And then there is back. How many syllable here? Here
Back.
is 1 syllable. The stressing is back.
Okay.
Back. The next
Back.
one is bed. Habitually, we are use this word in gamers. Habitually, bad connection or bad language or whatever. Bad is 1 syllable. Stressing is bad. Bad. And then
Bad.
next word is smile. How many syllable here? Smile.
1.
Okay, you are excellent.
1.
How to pronounce using stressing? Smile.
S.
Smile.
S.
Smile.
Smile.
Yes, smile. You are
Oh,
excellent.
smile.
The next is girl. Gadis. Habitually using in ometive. How many syllable here?
1.
Okay, you are excellent. And then the stressing is girl. Girl.
Go. Go.
Girl.
Anybody want to give example for me?
Girl.
Okay, you are excellent, Alice. And then the next is there is always. The word always.
Always.
How many syllable here?
1.
Always is there are 2 syllable. Al and then ways. The stressing is here, the first one. Always.
Always.
Okay. Do you understand?
Yes, Miss.
There is the first one, attack, menyerang. Habitually used in word of gamers. Attack. How many syllable here?
2.
2. 2.
Here, add, and then take. Where is the stressing here? The stressing word here?
At.
Attack. Here, stressing.
Oh. Oh.
Attack.
Sorry.
Attack.
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 Meaning is menyerang. Habitually using in gamers. Then the next is begin. Habitually using
Begin.
gamers. How many syllable here?
1.
1.
2. Begin.
Oh.
Oh.
Sorry.
Where is the
Begun.
stressing word here?
Begun.
The first one or
Gain, gain.
Yes, you are excellent, Alistina.
First one.
Thank you, Miss.
You are welcome. Begin. Usually we will begin
Begin.
the games at 2:00. And then before habitually used in gamers. Before we start games, we must pray first or whatever. How many syllable here?
2.
2. Yes, you are excellent. Use the stressing word.
Thank you, Miss. B.
The stressing word is for. Before.
Sorry. Oh,
Four.
before.
Okay.
4.
For. And then the last one is always. Sorry.
Sudah, Miss, always.
Sudah,
Ya.
Miss.
Oke. Ada yang mau memberi contoh dari satu suku kata?
Good.
Good.
Good, Miss.
Good, the meaning is bagus. Where is the stressing word, Alistina? Good. Good. Here is one syllable. Where is the stressing word?
J. J.
Good.
Eh.
Yes.
Good.
Good. Good.
Good.
Yes. You're excellent, Alistina. And then there is else. Who else?
Fine. Maybe.
Fine.
Yes.
Eventually used in maybe ometive, yes, ometive. Fine. It is
Yes.
one syllable. Where is the stressing word?
F. Fine.
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 Fine. Yes.
Fine.
Fine. It is. Fine. Kenapa sih apa sih pengguna ometive dan gamers itu jarang menggunakan penekanan kata? Anybody knows?
Karena itu merupakan kayak percakapan yang tidak formal gitu, Miss.
Oh,
Percakapan biasa, jadi tidak pakai stressing gitu.
Jadi kalau misalkan apa sih stressing itu digunakan di gamers atau ometive itu kan bagus, good, but jarang gitu.
Iya, Miss, jarang.
Jadi supaya sering itu gimana? Kita harus sering belajar yang kayak tadi, kayak gini. Misalkan never, stressing word-nya gitu. Jadi selain dia main game sama ometive juga, dia dapat vocabulary yang baru gitu.
Baik, Miss.
There is another example. There is another example.
Like, maybe.
What? Halis?
Like.
Like, suka.
Like, Miss.
Like. Here is
Yes.
one syllable. And then where is the stressing word? Like. It is like.
Like.
Yes.
L.
Jadi penekanan kata itu adalah pemberian kata, pementingan atau pemutusan perhatian pada salah satu bagian kalimat agar bagian yang diberi penekanan itu lebih mendekati perhatian dari pendengar. There is penekanan stressing effective principle can dikatakan boleh semua kata yang ditempatkan pada the first stressing word itu enggak cuman di the first word aja, jadi bisa di akhiran kalimat, tapi tergantung wordnya gitu. Kemudian yang dimaksud dengan teknik penekanan kalimat efektif adalah the first is put the word in the first sentence, and then the second make the sentence well, and then the third repetition the word, and then the last is change the word active to passive word. And then tadi yang contoh kalimat udah pada paham belum? Yang stressing.
Belum, Miss, kalau kalimat, Miss.
Contoh kalimat ya. Misalkan.
Ya, Miss, masih bingung.
I play together. Wait minutes. Example sentence. I play gamers with my friend. I play gamers with my friends. Where is the stressing word here?
Friends,
Play.
maybe. Oh, play.
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 I don't know.
And
I don't know.
Gamers with my friend. I play
friends
gamers with my friend because the stressing word is play and friend.
Friends.
Yes. I play with my friends. Another sentence.
Maaf, Miss.
Yes.
Maaf, Miss. Apakah kalau di kalimat stressing gitu, penekanannya di awal dan terakhir? Seperti itu tadi contohnya.
Tadi saya udah jelaskan ya. Jadi stressing word itu nggak harus di awal kalimat, nggak harus di akhir kalimat, tapi tergantung sentence-nya gitu.
Oh, begitu. Oke, Miss, thank you.
Oke, you're welcome, Alice. Ada yang ingin memberi contoh kalimat stressing word-nya?
I love you. Sorry, Miss.
Biasanya ini digunakan di Ome TV mungkin ya, jarang kalau misalkan di games. Mungkin kalau misalkan di game itu kayak mabar gitu ya, bisa lawan bicara gitu mungkin. Where is the stressing word here? Anybody want to know?
Love.
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 And I love you. Jadi ini nggak termasuk. Jadi ini
I
ada,
love you.
ya benar. Here is there are 3 syllables, 1, 2, and
Two.
3.
Yeah.
And then the stressing word is love. I love you.
Love.
Actually, in gamers and then Ome TV, the stressing word is penting, but jarang digunakan di gamers and Ome TV.
Oke, Miss.
How to, bagaimana caranya anak-anak itu bisa menggunakan stressing word-nya kalau misalkan mereka main game. Ada yang tahu? Supaya mereka terbiasa memakai stressing word.
Banyak
Belum tahu.
latihan, Miss.
Yes, maybe the repetition, and then we are talking to our friend, and then using stressing word. Example, the word of play together. Where is the, how many syllable here?
Play. Two. Two, Miss.
3.
1,
Oh, 3.
3.
Oh, 3. Sorry.
The stressing, where is the stressing word here?
Play. P.
P, and then 2,
Two.
2.
play
Together.
together.
Play
Play
together.
together.
Eventually is gamers now is nobar. Non apa? No, mabar deh.
Mabar, Miss.
Mabar.
Sorry, mabar ya, main bareng. Anybody want to ask about stressing word and essence?
In Mabar, Miss.
No, in
Terus.
stressing word and essence. Anybody wants to ask?
Oh.
No question?
Tidak, Miss. Sudah cukup jelas. Insya Allah.
Okay, I think that's all about my material. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Miss.
You guys.
See you.
See you.